That's how loser the bubble is. She's scared of coming out. Okay, fine. Come on, Bubbles. Ayaw niya eh. Come on, Bubbles. Bubbles! Oh, sige. You don't want to be here? Okay, fine. I'll enjoy just by myself. Let's eat. Yun. Yun. Kain na lang ako. Sarap pa naman nung sinat up kong campingan namin. Higaan pa. Ayaw niya. Natakot. Kasi nakatali eh. Bawal kasi dito yung hindi nakatali. Baka mamaya bigla siyang magtatakbo-takbo dyan. Walang tali. Violation of the rule. Kain. This is inside the RV park. Maraming ano dito. Dito lang yung ano sa hilera ko. Dito lang. But actually marami. So yan ako. Grand Haven. Viking. So ayun, dito ako nag-camping. Nag-camping ako mag-isa. Ayun. Kasi itong kasama ko, she's a loser. Hey, loser. Ano? Yan yung mga ibang food, extra food na hindi ko naluto. Ayun. Oh. Hi, loser. Hindi na Bubbles name mo, loser na. Kasi ayaw makipag-camping sa akin. Nanginginig ka. She was trembling. So, she's a loser. She's scared. So, you stay there. Okay. Well, I'll have my own fun camping all by myself. Sorry, Bubbles. Going back to my food. It's cold na. It's very cold already. Ayan, kumuha na lang ako ng ano. Sobrang lamig na. Kasi kanina mainit. Ayun. Sobrang init. So ngayon sobrang lamig. Ganun ang panahon dito. At daytime is very hot, and then at night it gets cold. So right now I'm using my robe, my very warm robe. Okay, so I'm going to continue eating right now.